Does your face turn red after using skincare products? Do expensive creams leave your skin burning, stinging, or irritated? You might not have bad skin. You could have sensitive skin. And if you're making these common mistakes, you may be making the redness even worse. Watch until the end to learn how to calm sensitive skin and protect your skin barrier. Sensitive skin is a condition where your skin reacts more easily to products, weather changes, pollution, or other triggers. Common signs include redness, burning or stinging, itching, dry patches, tightness after washing. Reactions to new skincare products. Many people mistake sensitive skin for acne or allergies, but often it's a weakened skin barrier. One of the biggest reasons for skin redness is an allergic reaction to ingredients in skincare products. Common triggers include fragrances, essential oils, harsh preservatives, certain makeup products, strong exfoliating acids. Your skin may become red, itchy, swollen, or irritated shortly after application. Always patch test new products before applying them to your entire face. Cause number 1, using too many skincare products. More products don't always mean better skin. Many people layer retinol, vitamin C, AH as BH as exfoliating scrubs all in the same routine. This can damage the skin barrier and lead to redness, irritation, and inflammation. If your skin feels like it's constantly burning or stinging, your routine may be too aggressive. Sometimes simpler skincare delivers better results. Cause 2, environmental triggers. Your environment can affect sensitive skin more than you realize. Common triggers include sun exposure, cold weather, wind pollution, indoor heating, sudden temperature changes. These factors can weaken your skin barrier and increase redness. This is why many people notice flare-ups during seasonal changes. How to calm sensitive skin. Here are dermatologist recommended habits that may help. Use a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Apply a hydrating moisturizer containing ceramides. Wear broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every day. Avoid over-exfoliating. Introduce new products slowly. Use lukewarm water instead of hot water. Keep your skincare routine simple. Stay hydrated and get enough sleep. When to see a dermatologist. If redness persists for weeks or is accompanied by severe itching, pain, swelling, cracking skin, you should consult a board-certified dermatologist. Conditions such as rosacea, eczema, or contact dermatitis may require professional treatment. Sensitive skin doesn't mean you can't have healthy, glowing skin. The key is protecting your skin barrier and avoiding common triggers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.